Okay, so now we're moving on from sketches to another kind of tool to make a three-dimensional shape. So we talked about extrude, and the other one I'm going to talk about is revolve. So revolve basically turns a sketch you had 360 or 90. It basically turns it around a line. So let's click revolve. We are going to select what we want to revolve. That would be this. We need a revolve axis, which is going to be this line. And there it is, 360. So some kind of weird flying saucer doorknob situation. You can also remove revolve, just like in extrude. So if you were boring into something. You can also do different, like, amounts of revolution, so it doesn't have to be a full 360. You could do like a 90 degree or an 180. Yeah, if once you're on it, you'll figure it out pretty well. So yeah, that's revolve. One note that is worth mentioning is that when you revolve something, you want to make sure that your sketch is a solid shape. So make sure that this isn't a construction line, because if it is a construction line, it probably won't recognize this as a solid, so it won't revolve it. That was a problem I ran into a lot when I was learning it. So yeah, have fun. Revolve is an awesome tool. I love it. Alright, adios.